welcome to our channel. We're the Maxwell.
And what are we eating today?
We're eating flaming noodles, which are the black ones.
Black bean noodles?
Black bean noodles. And the fire chicken noodles.
Mm-hmm.
With a little cheese and butter.
And a little cheese and butter. And some curly fries and seaweed. And a corn dog. And some ketchup and mustard, if we want. And some water.
Let's
All
eat.
right, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Eat the black one.
Let's start with some curly fries. Mm-hmm.
Black bean noodles are good.
I'm gonna go for corn dog. Okay.
Hot.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Let's start with a curly fry. That looks like a O.
Mm. Hmm. Oh, they're at our microphones are at Bill's. I'll bring them for the next one.
Okay.
Chicken spicy noodles.
Chicken spicy noodles now. We tried the black ones already.
Wait, those are spicy. How about the black one?
They're good.
I tried a bite of this one and it's not very hot.
Which one?
This one.
I disagree. Ooh, those black bean ones are so yummy.
Yeah.
Black bean fire noodles. They come in a green package, right?
Black bean noodles are one of my favorites.
Black bean ones are good.
They're one of the hottest.
One of the hottest that we have, anyway. How about like that? Black bean fire noodles, seaweed. Mm-hmm.
Seaweed's good.
Now we'll get some seaweed, which is really crunchy.
Spam would be good.
Spam with good ketchup.
Put some orange hot flaming noodles.
Mm.
Our mouth will be on fire.
Mm-hmm.
Try a bite.
It's a gloomy day today, huh?
That was fun.
This will make your nose
Cold and
run.
rainy.
Huh?
Cold and rainy.
Mm-hmm. Cold rain.
This will make your mouth burn and make your nose run.
And make your nose run.
One bite. Have you tried it with the seaweed yet, Benny?
Nice. Everything.
Ooh. Let's do that seaweed and
I'll try it.
I think we're gonna start a new YouTube channel.
The Maxwells.
The Maxwell Mukbang channel. What do you think? Because we have the Maxwell
Good.
House Ranch.
It makes my lips burn the most.
And we do that for reviews and how-to videos. And we can do our
Take a bite of the
Mukbang.
corn dog. Some ketchup.
next time we do one of these, I'll have the microphones and we can use those and it'll really sound like look at that bite. Yummy.
Oh, it was hot inside.
With one dog.
Made the spiciness of the noodles really
Intensify.
we do not have any microphones on us, just the food.
Oh, girl here's a spicy noodle fiend.
Try this one with no water. Let's try it. They're almost done. Let's get this done.
Ketchup and mustard.
Sometimes I do that. Very hot, but also good at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
I'm getting full.
Seaweed.
Man, some of your water. Pour. Thank you. Perfect.
Since you have no more hot noodles left.
Ooh. Dogs are barking at somebody.
You have your curly fries for me.
That's okay. I'll be walking by the Maxwell house. Got our two big pit bulls barking away at you.
The curly fry.
They're lovers though.
They jump on you
They
though,
jump on you, right?
and they lick you.
They just want some love.
And
Unless
flesh.
you're a cat.
And they want your flesh if you come onto our property uninvited.
Especially they'll lick you and jump. Especially Beasley, the cross-eyed girl.
A little cross-eyed.
She shakes her booty.
She shake it, yeah.
Shake it.
Mm.
Shake her booty.
Shakes a booty.
I think we will start a mukbang. I'm not wrong with just sitting around eating and eat every day. I'll go. I'll do it.
I like this over there.
Only
I like
one
this,
noodle. I only got one noodle on mine. Only one noodle.
This is a treat. We decided to have hot noodles instead of Dairy Queen
That's a good one. Mm.
on a Sunday when we're feeling tired.
This is
Tired
way
from
better than Dairy
Work
Queen.
and play.
Work and play.
Way better than Dairy Queen. I love the fried sauce of Dairy Queen. It's so creamy.
I like Dairy Queen's fry sauce too.
It's creamy. They add whipped cream to that.
Mm.
Look how much I have, and you guys.
That's because you're yakking the beak and not eating. Huh?
You guys are also talking.
How much are you?
We mastered the art of shoving in whilst talking. Oh, she's going for it.
Woo! I'm done.
You have some that and that.
$100 crunchy and delicious. Nothing like a deep fryer in the kitchen.
Caught me.
Try to eat my hot food. Remember
Excuse me.
the Boogalooga monster.
All right, take a couple more bites and then we're gonna.
Couple.
Well, yeah.
And
I'm
they
not gonna
cannot-
sit here and wait
I
for-
don't have that much room on my camera,
It could be hours.
especially doing it that way. No, just eat.
I feel like I'm gonna blow my nose from hot noodles.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye. Bye.
Till the next time.
Next time you watch our channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. See ya. Peace out.